Hello, my wonderful viewers. Thank you so much for tuning back to Rebecca Foods this morning. Thank you for always viewing my videos. And please, if at all you have not subscribed, press on the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Otherwise, today, guys, I'm back this morning to prepare some breakfast. And this is the breakfast that we're going to do. So I have the arrowroot here. So I know most of you knows how to make the arrowroot the normal way, that is just boiling with salt and taking. And also some people prefer also frying. So what I'm going to do today is just another unique style, and you'll love it. Keep tuning and let's cook. So apart from this arrowroot, the ingredients that I'm going to use this one spice. So turmeric, because it's healthy and gives a taste, going to give a taste to this arrowroots, and also a very amazing color. So I have some greens here. This is spring onions and some coriander that I'm going to use. And lastly, I have all-purpose flour and some salt to taste. And for this breakfast, I also have some sausages here, beef sausages that I'm going to use. But in fact, these sausages I'm not going to use it today, this recipe. So guys, keep tuned as we move. I'm just going to pre-boil them first. So I'll place them in here. I'll place them in a pan. The reason why I add salt to it, so that when they should boil with salt, so that even the inner side part of the arrows can be can have some taste. Yeah? So keep tuned, guys. And guys, I told you when you are boiling something, make sure the water reaches the level of whatever you're cooking, so that everything can get cooked well. So keep tuned and let's move. As my arrows are boiling, I'll go ahead and prepare my all-purpose flour. So what I do here for this all-purpose flour, I'll just add some salt as well. And remember guys, I added salt to this just because of the cassava. And I'm going to use this for cooking. So another thing, this is turmeric. I'll add some turmeric to it, just for the taste. And as you know, turmeric taste is healthy. And then I will add my green herbs. So I'll mix everything up together. So the consistency has to be a little bit thick. So make sure when you're adding water, you add water simultaneously. Spoon, the way I'm using a spoon, or you use a whisk. I have a whisk here, guys, but I wanted my nail to be very soft. My love. So you can look at my dough. You can look at its consistency. This is the best so far. That will give it a nice taste. So guys, keep tuned, watch this video until the end, and let's enjoy this breakfast together. Just to check on my arrowroots. So this is it. Just want to find out if it is done. So I'll just have to give it about 5 more minutes so that it can be a little bit soft. Remember, it's not supposed to overcook because we're still going to deep fry it. So keep tuned. So guys, 5 minutes are over, and the arrows are ready now. I'm just going to take them out. You can see. So next, I'm going to heat my pan. I'm going to add some vegetable oil so that it can heat meanwhile as I prepare my arrowroot. So keep tuned. So guys, my duff is still ready here. So I'm going to now to cut my arrowroots in circles. You can see this, and looking so nice and so delicious. So keep doing that still. The next step is that I'm going to have this. I'll dip it inside. I'll marinate it with this, and just the way it is, I'll place it there. I'll continue the same way. You're gonna see how my arrowroots are going to be very, very delicious. Super amazing. Super amazing. Guys, just try this out. If you are in your house, you will really love it and thank me later. That's why I say it doesn't need to boil so much, otherwise they can break. They're looking so appetizing. You have to turn them so that they can cook well both sides. Wow. So I did not use the baking powder. If you have, you can use. The baking powder will make them at least have some shape, a very, very nice shape. So keep tuned, guys. I'm just through with my arrowroots. You can just see them here. And see how amazing, how wonderful they look. And they are so tasty, guys. So if you just want to make some breakfast, especially over the weekends, try this. These are my arrowroots. I've done it the modern style. Please like my video, share, subscribe. So let me just try that and see. You can see looking so amazing, guys. So let me just have a taste. I love this. So kindly give my video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye.